Hey coders, welcome back to Code Tech Chronicles. I'm your host Shashi Devendra, and today we are diving into a topic that is the backbone of fast lookup and efficient coding: hashing and hash maps in data structures. We will learn what hashing is, how collisions are handled, and how problems like two-sum and frequency count become a breeze with hash maps. Let's go. What is hashing? Hashing is a method to map data to a fixed size array using something called hash function. Think of it like a super fast index finder. You give it a key and it tells you exactly where to store or find that key in constant time O1 in the best case. You will find hashing behind the scene in cache, sets, databases, compilers, and much more. It's all about fast data access. How a hash function works. A hash function takes input a key and returns an index in an array. A good hash function is like a good postal system. It spreads things out evenly. For example, hash apple returns 2, hash banana returns 5. Most importantly, hash functions are deterministic. Same input always gives same output. Real power lies in avoiding collisions, which we will talk about next. What happens when collision occurs? Sometimes two key hashes to the same index. This is called collision. We handle collision in two main ways. Chaining, use a linked list or list at an index to store multiple items. Second, open addressing, find another available slot using probing, like linear or quadratic search. In real worlds, every hash table includes collision handling. It is part of what makes them robust and reliable. What is a hash map? A hash map is like a supercharged array that uses key value pairs. In Python, we call it a dict for dictionary. In Java, it's a heap hash map, and in JavaScript, it's a map. You can insert, retrieve, or delete in a hash map. And the best part, these operations are O1 on average, super fast and efficient. Implementing simple hash map. Let's simplify the idea of building your own hash map. Use an array to store data. Use a hash function to convert the key to an index. Add collision handling logic using chaining or probing. Different languages offer built-in hash maps. Python offers dictionary, Java offers hash maps, JavaScript offer map. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, but it helps to understand how the wheel works. Benefits of hash maps. Hash maps are loved because of their constant time operations for most use cases. They help you solve problems that would take O(n) time in array or list in just O(n) time. Where do we use them? Caching and memoization, counting frequencies, checking duplicates, implementing sets. Hash maps are your best friend in real-time performance optimization. Practice. Let's solve a classic interview question two-sum. You are given an array and a target. Return the indices of two numbers that add up to the target. Approach. Loop through the array for each number, calculate target current, check if that value exists in hash map. If yes, return the pair of indices. Time complexity O(n), blazing fast with hash map. Practice 2. Need to count how often things appear? Use frequency map. Loop through your array or string and use a hash map to track occurrences. Check the following program. This technique is widely used in text analysis, voting system, pattern detection. Let's recap what we have learned today. Hashing enables fast access using keys. Always implement proper collision handling. Hash map simplifies logic and make your code cleaner and faster. Practice problems to master two-sum, frequency count, group anagrams. And don't forget, learn hash maps in multiple languages: Python, Java, C++. Thanks for watching Code Tech Chronicles. If you enjoyed this breakdown of hashing and hash maps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And always remember, big steps